Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me whacking out a bunch of different crochet keyring designs because they're fun to make and this is for markets mainly, so yeah, let's get on with it. So this is who you just saw me making. A seagull! This might be one that I put on my Etsy. I want to make a pigeon as well, so it'd be like 2 listings and then you get to choose which one you buy when you get it. So definitely potential Etsy listing. I just made this frog. Oh, he looks really wonky. I just made this frog. I didn't film any of it because I forgot, but yeah, frog. So, I have made seagull and frog. I want to make a bunch of these and put them on my Ko-fi as like a lucky dip thing so that you can get different ones, because I've also got this one, so I do want to make a bunch of those. However, the next thing I'm going to make now is Skull from Pokemon, a person I follow on Instagram, the underscore yarning underscore portal. Yeah, the underscore yarning underscore portal. They have just released a free pattern for him. Their one is made from like blanket yarn and stuff, so he's bigger. But I am going to use just my normal acrylic yarn and I make him shiny, obviously, and see how big he turns out. If he turns out like a alright size, then I will make them into keyrings. And I will hopefully have the things that I make in this video up on my Ko-fi for sale, so please give me a follow. Go buy them. They will be cheaper than they would have been if I put them on Etsy, so they'll be my market prices because the fees aren't as bad. So go buy them. Please. Body is done. Don't be dirty.
Oh, kinky.
It is his body. Now I need to make 2 arms, so let's get on with it. Arms done. Now I need to work on the eye. Body, eye, both arms, and the fucking skull that was the worst thing to make ever. It just confused me, but I've done it. So let's get sewing. Sorry you can't see my face, but I'm sewing now. Here he is, all sewn together. I did do the back details and, well, they're bones on the back, but I thought just to give the effects that they're there, I've just drawn the lines instead, or sewn the lines. And here he is. I've decided to do his arms like this because I saw a photo where he was like so I thought I would do them like that. He's just a little guy. but I want to make like small Pokemon keyrings as well that can be under £15 so that then people can get them, obviously, for cheaper. And I'm also thinking ahead for when I hopefully get a table at my local Comic-Con. So yeah, here he is, just a little guy. I think I'm going to offer shiny and then non-shiny, but this is him for now. This is the squad made in this video so far. Let's give this pattern a go with acrylic yarn. So that's all I've managed to get done keyring wise. I think these two end up being my favourite. I haven't taken photos and put them on my Ko-fi yet, or coffee, but hopefully I will get that done next week. Well, this week when you're watching this video. They might already be on there when this video comes out on the Tuesday. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit like, I'm making this, I'm making that, I'm making this, I'm making that, and it was a bit all over the place. But the goal was keyrings, and I did make keyrings and then this little guy. So hopefully you enjoyed it anyway. Please like, comment and subscribe. Comment below what videos you'd like to see. I have some talking ones, like sitting and talking, that I want to film at some point, but I won't release those in a row. Does that make sense? I'll scatter them out so that you can get some crocheting and then talking about crochet stuff. But yeah, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!